Still managing field operations through calls, spreadsheets, and scattered updates? What if you could see, assign, and track every task directly on a map? With MAPOG, tasks are linked to real-world locations, enabling real-time tracking with clear visual overview for efficient coordination. To begin, go to story.mapog.com and select Task Management. Click on Create New Task. Choose Create New Custom Location. Next, go to Custom Location Template Settings. Give it a clear title like AC Services, set geometry to point, then add attributes with corresponding attribute types like text, number, select, multi-select, and save it. This creates a standardized template for AC Services, enabling service details to be recorded consistently for easy tracking and management. Now, go to the Completion Forms setup. Select your template, then create a form for all tasks and add relevant questions for quality checking. After that, go back to the dashboard and click Create New Map. Choose Category as the map template. Add a project title and description. Enable Task Management. Then click Create. Go to Process Custom Location and choose Add by uploading CSV or Excel. Select your location template from the drop-down and then upload your file. Next, either assign a unique ID for tracking or allow MAPOG to auto-generate one. Match the attributes with the corresponding Excel columns. Select the field type as Coordinates or WKT. Then save. All your points will now appear on the map. Go to Edit Point Details by clicking on the pencil icon to edit location details. There, add images, update descriptions, modify attributes, and save. Next, select Group by Attributes to categorize the points based on one particular attribute. Use the filter option to group points by attributes like type, capacity, or brand, focusing on the most relevant information. Features like Sort by Live Location and Search for Location let users quickly see distances between mapped points and search locations. Next, go to Map Layers and select Create New Style. Choose a suitable icon and color and save the style. Now, to create a task, select a point and click Add Task. Enter the title, description, due date, and deal value. Then choose a task type. If needed, create a new type via Manage. Click on Add More Task Type, name it, and save. You can also design task-specific completion forms. Next, click Task Status and set it to Open or Assigned. Then set the priority level. Click Add New Team Member, enter email addresses, assign roles such as admin or others. Select the members from the drop-down to assign tasks. You can also link multiple tasks to one location with different assignees if needed by following the same steps. On the MAPOG Contributor app, assignees can check tasks and due date. On completion, mark status as completed, fill the completion form, upload images, and add comments in real time. Back to Dashboard, go to Task Management. Admins can oversee the progress. Just click on Filter and sort tasks by status or type. Review comments, verify forms, and check updates to ensure accountability across sites. Finally, go to the Preview and Share section. You can make it public, share it via link, embed it on your website, or even invite collaborators to edit the map together using the Add User option. With MAPOG, map-based task management links tasks to real locations, improving visibility, coordination, and efficiency for faster task completion. If you need help with data uploads, map analysis, map stories, or GIS and MAPOG consultancy, feel free to contact us at support@mapog.com anytime.